So hey guys, welcome to EXP Gamer. As you know, we are gonna get update very soon. And the update we are getting is the evolution of an awesome boss, Draco Spike. Trust me guys, this update is gonna be really awesome. So this video is gonna be really helpful for you guys. So what till the end? I'm gonna share you tips and tricks which will help you to progress in game. So let's start guys. First and main thing is you should be ready for update. So don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to be ready. So basically your target to get high rank Draco Spike, like S. And if you can make SS, then it's super awesome. Or if you don't have time to grind, then A rank also can be pretty good. Now the question is how to get high rank monsters, because it is really hard to get one. So it depends on your luck, but you can increase or boost your luck. So here's the trick. You need to collect as many eggs as you can and keep it for admin abuse. And you need to hatch them while high mutations event. It will happen in admin abuse, so you need to focus on it. Now another thing is, you can get Draco Spike from purple and red rifts also, which spawns in Dragon's Breath Island. For this, you need to equip luck boosting monsters like Void Ice Plates and Abyssal Drake. They are very good. And if you don't have them, then there's alternative also. You can comment me, I can tell you. So if you have these two monsters, then you can use Void Ice Plate because it will increase your luck by 25%. And Abyssal Drake will increase 15%. But remember, you cannot stack their luck boosting. You can equip anyone. So I'm gonna show you correct way of grinding. Things to do before grinding is to select the monsters which can benefit you in future. I am trying to say, many players just rush to grind and I have seen they have equipped 3 monsters with max level. So you shouldn't do this. So you have to equip 1 your strong monster and 2 any monsters which isn't useful for you. So you can feed then to your monsters in future. So for example, I have this bait Leoden. So I can feed Leoden to any other monster which I want to level up. You can see my Abyssal Drake does main work, but my whole team gets the XP. Wait, I'm gonna show you best place to grind. My personal favorite. Now, let's move to best place for grinding in my opinion. So it's on the place where Draco Spike spawns. This place is my personal favorite guys, because here monsters spawn very fast. Another thing is, here are 3 types of monsters with spawn, so you're gonna get water, stone and grass gems also. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do comment which video you want next, so I will be making the contents you suggest me. Once again, welcome to EXP Gamer family.